can see they got their 50% off Christmas decor, but they are restocking over here as well. So let's go see what we can find. Look around here and see they've got all their St. Patrick's stuff out, but I was looking for garden stuff. So let's see if we have any gardening stuff. They have all their plates, all their ribbons. They have all their plastics. And I'm in a different Dollar Tree, so they seem like they got all their stuff pretty well stocked up. So let me search around, see if I can find some gardening stuff. For the white baskets that look like these, they have the blue ones, but I want white. Ours was sold out, so they're pretty well stocked on their baskets, but they don't have the white ones, so the journey still continues. Oh, and I'm gonna look for that carpet cleaner and see if they have a different scent than the Island Breeze. Let's go look for that. Guys, they have them here, but they're all the same as the one that I got, the Island Breeze. So we will not be picking up with those. So you can see they have a whole lot. So that must be the only scent that it comes in. Got a cat, and it's a bottle cap dispenser. Cat and a fox. And these, I've never seen these. These are ice molds where you can put like things inside here. And they have you like put a piece of fruit and some water in it. Be like an ice cube with a piece of fruit in it. That's different. Never saw that before. The new too is called Neon Glow Tumblers, where they have these little sticks that you put around the rim and they glow up. And you get 4 tumblers with the little glow sticks that go around it. Alright, Dollar Trees, do what you do.